Did you ever go to bed at 9 or 10 p.m.? How many times did you fall asleep in class? Do you think that teenagers and sleep is a worldwide issue? Well, I think it is a worldwide issue. Watching this video will help you understand why teenagers need more sleep and also why they can't get enough sleep.
Wherever you go, wherever you land.
Teenagers and sleep has been a big issue in South Korea. The students are pressured by school and daily life. The school work that students get is so challenging that students go to academy schools to finish them. Also, most of the students in Korea study in academy school and even stay in academy school until midnight to study. The students that don't get enough sleep will not function well the next day, which making the student's life harder.
This is important, but I know.
Many Korean students have to finish homework on their free time and study many different hard subjects. They are involved in sports such as soccer, baseball, and basketball, and musical too, which is taking their sleeping time away from them. Not getting enough sleep will make your life harder in school. Some effects of sleep deprivation are change in behavior, concentration difficulties, memory loss, and slow reactions. For example, for change in behavior, students can act cranky because they are tired, and also be really mad. For the concentration, students will be hard time listening to teachers because they will fall asleep really easily.
Those are your problems.
As the scientific research on teenagers and sleep show that teenagers don't get any sleep time at all, which is affecting them everywhere in their life. Also, when you are a teenager, you have hormonal time shift. Hormonal time shift is when puberty hormones shift the teenager's body clock forward by 1 or 2 hours, making them sleepier 1 to 2 hours later. However, school starts early for the teenagers, which means that they can't sleep in. High school should start at 9 or 10 a.m. because teens are supposed to go to bed by 11 p.m. and then wake up at 9 a.m. More and more high schools are changing their starting time to 9 a.m. and seeing the results of the students in classroom. As a result, students that start at 9 are more concentrated than the students that start at 7:30 or 8.
So Kevin, what are some aspects of teenagers and sleep?
Most of teenagers don't get enough sleep. Also, teenagers have so many things to do that they lose track of time and could lead to concentration difficulties and depression.
Okay, thanks Kevin. Jungsu, what will be some of the effects if teenagers don't get enough sleep?
Some of the effects would be lack of enthusiasm and change in behavior.
Then what happened to you the next day when you didn't get enough sleep?
Once I fell out of class and I was really tired. And as I said, I wasn't enthusiastic during class and I was negative during class.
Okay, thanks Jungsu.
Having enough sleep actually does enhances your, I don't know, your feelings throughout the day, and yeah, I think it kind of does help you on academics and your education, I guess.
How about if you don't sleep enough?
For me, it really does affect me a lot, cause at least for me, if I don't get enough sleep, I get really cranky and like really irritated easily.
Do you fall in sleep a lot in class?
I try not to, but sometimes usually in study halls, I usually use that time to sleep.
Okay, thank you, Peter.
Bye, Mr. Morton.
best thing to do is not waste time by playing games or doing other things. Getting your homework done as quickly as possible is the best thing you could do after school. Don't waste your bedtime. Waste your free time. In other words, use your free time wisely by studying in your free time, which is really helpful. One thing that the school can do is make the first block start at 9, which will make the students happy and also achieve better goals. If school and students work together, students can get straight A's.